Good morning, this is the last day of the Festive 500. I'm on my way into Manchester to go meet the Rapha lot. I'm going to do about 100k, but it is raining, as you can probably tell on my face, so I'm going to put the camera away until hopefully it dries up, so I will see you shortly.
I would have done than had to have a couple of days off, so...
Morning mate, you alright? The water puddle in McDonald's because it is peeing down, so yeah, the camera's going to go away, so I'll try and get it out later on.
It was so brutal. It was fun though. It was so much fun.
It was so dirty.
It was so muddy. That's what happens when people don't have mud guards.
See, that's what happens.
Yeah, I'm
well
guilty culprit.
How long have you got left to do, sorry?
12.
Woohoo!
So 7k home and then 5k loop round the road.
Oh, well done.
And then nap.
Yeah, I'm definitely having a nap. Well done.
Cheers. Have a good year, guys.
You too. So, 100k later, it just rained for the majority of it, and then it was pretty pacey, and I was like, I can't be dicking around with my camera, so I didn't get it out at all. So I just got back. I don't know how dirty my face is, but people's faces were just covered in dirt and horse muck, and some of us even had mud guards, and everyone was still blathered. So see you later. So I'm gonna head in now. I'm gonna get a sandwich and I'm gonna get a drink, and then it's 10k home. So I've done the 500 now, and then 10k home, and then we'll chat some more. Today's ride was so wet, hence why there's not much footage. But if you can just imagine country lanes, a load of us from Rapha, and a little bit more rain. That was today's ride, and yeah. So I hope you'll forgive me for the lack of footage, but it just means that we can chat more now. So let's get on to the photograph. Oh, by the way, yes, I finished the Festive 500. Woohoo! I finished. I did a total of 524 kilometers. There is still a day left, but I will not be riding because I'm gonna put my feet up for a day. So let's get on to today's photograph. It is, move out of the way, this photograph. This is me on my first ever bike when I was probably 2 or 3, I'm guessing. And the reason that I wanted to share this photograph is to remind you that we all start off as a beginner. Whether you start riding when you're 2, when you're 10, when you're 20, we all start off as beginners, and it might sound pretty basic and pretty simple, but what you get out of it is the time, the sweat, the patience, and the energy that you put into cycling. So like all your cycling like heroes or the legends, they all start off as a beginner at some point. And so it's just a reminder to you that you can get out of it what you put into it. And so it's just a little photograph of me when I first started riding. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it then. So the Festive 500 is done. We've done today's photograph. I guess the only thing left to say is thank you, my lovely, loyal friend and viewer, for being so supportive over the Festive 500, over all the cycling adventures and trips and rides that I've done this year. I would say 99% of people, of you that watch, are just the loveliest, most positive people that I could ever wish to watch my videos, and I genuinely can't thank you enough just for being so lovely and supportive. I know I've already said that, but you genuinely are, and this channel would not be what it is without you, without the community that we've created between ourselves of encouraging each other and just being so supportive. And I'm very, very grateful to have you, and I'm grateful to have you watching my videos. So there's plenty more to come in 2019, but I just wanted to take the time now because it's going to be my last chat with you this year. So I just really wanted to take the time out just to give you my appreciation, because I appreciate it. But I genuinely do. So I reckon then that is it for this video. But let me know how you got on in the Festive 500. Let me know if you've already completed it or how many kilometres you've got left to do, because yes, there is another day left. But yeah, I will not be riding tomorrow. I'm going to have a well-earned rest. I think that's pretty much it. So I guess I will be seeing you in 2019. So have a brilliant New Year's Eve, and I will see you next year.